Today, we're going to explore 5 things rich people buy that the poor don't, so sit back, relax, and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: have you ever invested in any assets? Comment below. Asset 1. Businesses. The rich build and own businesses. They create value by leveraging other people's skills, techniques, and time. This way, they can scale their income. Once the business is built and providing you with cash flow, it will continue to do so until you stop maintaining it. A business can pay you round the clock, day and night, 7 days per week and 365 days per year. Once you've expanded your business enough, a potential buyer may be interested in acquiring it. This is the acquisition phase. You can either sell or keep your business. Asset 2. Attention and data. The rich want your attention. This way, it's easier to exchange value with you and sell products to you. If you have a great idea, then make a business around that idea. The next step is to create an audience. Creating a loyal following can allow you to launch a product and then sell that product immediately, receiving payment. This especially applies if your product is virtual. Data is key. Facebook is a multi-billion-dollar mega corporation, and what are they reliant upon? User data. If a company has your data, then they can not only sell you products, they can sell you the right kind of product. Companies then exchange that data with other companies for a profit. Data is the new oil. Asset 3. Intellectual property. Musicians that wrote and produced songs many decades ago are still being paid royalty checks to this day. This is a method of initially creating value that will pay you into the future. Patents and trademarks are another form of intellectual property, paying you for what you have created. An inventor who invented a product can receive a licensing fee when they license their idea to companies and individuals. Paper assets such as stocks, bonds, and index funds are highly liquid, meaning they can be bought or sold almost immediately. This is an excellent method of providing you with cash flow from dividend income or growing your portfolio value with index funds. Owning a stock is somewhat like owning a very small percentage of a company which people trade with on a daily basis. An example of this can be owning a stock in Amazon or Apple. Asset 5. Celestial resources and space infrastructure. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 explicitly forbids any government from claiming a celestial resource such as the moon or a planet. However, this does not apply to a company or individual. Now, this is not one of those gimmicky websites attempting to send you lunar or Martian land. This is utilizing current and future technology to obtain and mine space assets, like asteroids. Asteroids can potentially be worth trillions of dollars due to the extensive natural resources like gold, platinum, and uranium found within them. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Sir Richard Branson are already providing a gateway to space. Imagine looking up at the night sky and viewing your very own freight transporter ship embarking on a voyage to the moon or Mars. Recap. Asset 1. Businesses. Asset 2. Attention and data. Asset 3. Intellectual property. Asset 4. Stocks, bonds, index and mutual funds. Asset 5. Celestial resources and space infrastructure. Secret tip. If you've been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. The key differentiating factors between the poor, middle class and the rich is that the rich make money, whereas the poor and middle class earn money. When making money, you don't exchange time for money. You provide value. This in turn generates you more income. The middle class own liabilities that they perceive as assets. If it does not put money in your pocket, it's not an asset, because an asset either increases in value or provides you with cash flow. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, the 5 things rich people buy that the poor don't. One day after implementing these principles into your life, you can witness firsthand how true wealth is built. If you learned something here today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about all my future videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.